Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2015 Chevy Cruze LT, stock number Z7581X. Only 22,000 miles and there's one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Cruze brand new, silver ice metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, along with 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Cruze is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And not only low miles, but very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjust for the driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Easy to read gauges, again only 22,000 miles with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel, easy to operate radio and CD player, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, heating and air conditioning, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Cruze has a 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower. This engine gives you the best of both worlds. Power when you need it with a turbo, otherwise excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 26 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 38 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.